So our programme of work is called Bridge, about bridging the gap between research and evidence. And Bridge stands for Building Research Implementation to Develop and Grow Evidence-Based Practice in Children and Young People's Mental Health. So during our workshop at the summit, we'll discuss some practical applications of implementation frameworks, as well as our key learning and top tips for those with an interest in implementing research into practice in both research and clinical settings. So we are going to do a bit of a presentation at the start. So it's really about kind of presenting our key learning and practical tips. So that'll be fully accessible to those online. And then the interactive elements are going to be online too, so that people that are joining us remotely can take part. So we're going to have lots of kind of Mentimeters and different things that are done online for people to participate and get their views across. And we will have facilitators who will be online too to help involve those joining us remotely. So it'll be for everyone, not just those in the room. And it's going to be a really kind of interactive and hopefully interesting session for those involved. So do come along and we look forward to seeing you then.